Hollywood Glace Rd, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1.5-story farmhouse on 86+ acres. Huge rooms and nice wraparound screened-in porch, newer vinyl siding, metal roof, propane furnace but in need of some fixing up. Property has large workshop, storage, garage barn with shed attached, and a nice pond. 5 to 6 acres in yard area and a small field. The rest of this property is wooded, has 2 streams, great for hunting. Great mini farm opportunity or hunting camp. House will not qualify for government loan. Cash or conventional loan.